show you real quick how to leave comments on a website. This is just a demo website to show how the comment tool works. So I'll send you a link in an email when I'm building your website, when it's ready for review. And then you click on it in your email and it'll pop up like this. It'll show wherever you move your mouse, you can click on different items, text, photos, and leave comments directly back to me and my team. For example, here, if we want to change out this title, you click on it. You can type what you want it to be. Let's say test comment 2. I did one earlier. Then you click enter or the green arrow, and it'll take a screenshot of what you are looking at and send that to my email inbox so I know what you need to have changed. I can comment back to you, and then you'll be notified in your inbox also. You can close out of this and click on different comments to see where they are. You can upload photos if you want me to change out a photo on a certain spot. To navigate other pages, you need to click on down here on the bottom where it says browse comment. Click that, it'll hide it, and then you're able to click throughout the website and use the navigation to go to different parts of the site. And then when you want to comment again, you just click on my logo on the right hand side. It'll then reload up the information here to leave a comment. Sometimes it gets stuck a little bit and you have to refresh the page. But that's kind of a quick overview of how you leave comments on a site when you're ready to review it and get it ready to publish and go live. All right, hope that was helpful. Thank you.